Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know how can you ask a question about product on Amazon. In order to ask a question about a product on Amazon, you'll have to do this. You'll have to follow the steps. Now you do not need to do it manually. You just have to go ahead and open up your browser, type in amazon.com. You could also use a web application. The procedure will remain the same. Now let's say you have to first of all go ahead and locate the item that you want to buy or product or that you want to purchase. Here I'm gonna go ahead and then find the product that I want to go ahead and add it. Let's see. So after which, if you scroll down, you could find this review section or the question answer section. Here the users asked a lot of questions. You could go ahead and read about the products information. You could also check the review and comments as well regarding the product. So this way you should be able to ask a question about the product. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.